Have you ever wondered what makes this city shine? Well, it's not just a city. This is a place where traditions are kept alive and memories are made. We take a stroll down memory lane in a place that is rich in history. Where the warmest and most hospitable people live. This is a city that never stops. Take the hustle and bustle of the city life of the local markets, where the flavors of Ilocos meet, and indulge in the gastronomic delights of the city. Escape the city and experience the slow pace of country life. By exploring the breathtaking sand dunes, take your adrenaline to the next level. This is a place where history and modernization meet. This place is a true gem of the North. This is Laoag, our city, our home.
Now we begin. For our last group of awardees, we have the Laoag Promotional Video Competition. Third runner-up. Congratulations, you will receive 10,000 pesos. Jericho John Angeles. Nandito ba siya? Yun, Jericho John Angeles. Yes. Yan. Congratulations, Jericho John Angeles, our third runner-up for the Laoag Promotional Video Competition. And for the second runner-up, we have... Okay, he received 20,000 pesos in cash. Glenn Batuyo
Hindi na malaman
of
ng halaga,
Apple Glen.
lalo sa pagsapit ng dilim,
Congratulations!
Buti sa isang banda, may isang tala na magsisilbing ilaw ng daan sa ating pupuntahan. Tanglaw ng hapunan, dulot ng kasiyahan sa mga pansamantalang minsan kasama ang mga kaibigan. Pero sa pagsapit ng umaga, liwanag ng lawag iyong makikita. Sa hilaga may pag-asa, iba't ibang kulay, halika't sumama. Lawag, lilipad ka sa gusto mong puntahan.
Congratulations!
Maganda po lahat ng entries. Maraming salamat. So at last, meron po tayong promotional video na gagamitin na for Laoag City. Nagagamitin din namin sa mga trade exhibits, napupuntahan namin for national, malay nyo, may international. So maraming salamat. Ang gaganda po ng entries ninyo. Naiiyak ako kanina nanonood ako. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. Thank you for your effort po.
Maraming salamat. And now our first runner-up, taking home 30,000 pesos. Congratulations to... naman ang time drop, Lord John. Yes! One. Alright! Then again, alright! Our first runner-up, congratulations! Sine Iloco by Jason Paranyal and team! They will take home 30,000 pesos! And as well as the certificate as well, plus plaque. Congratulations! Congratulations! Yan! Maraming salamat. Well, together with Arvin Liquan, one of our Mr. Laoag winners din. Oh, man. Thank you so much. And once again, let's welcome our grand champion or the winner, overall winner of the Shine Laoag Promotional Video Competition. Fueled by Heart with Kevin J. Aison and team. And everybody, they'll be taking home 50,000 pesos. Ayan. And syempre, dito rin yung mga artista nila. The models, or of course, the ones who have been in the video. Then again, congratulations. Thank you so much for showcasing the best and the greatest of Laoag City. There you go. That concludes everyone, all our competitions. Alright, this third Marunggay Festival, once again, we'd like to thank Engineer Sheila Opela, our city agriculturist, and as well as our City Tourism Officer, Marunggay Alvarez Lao, at syempre naman po two of our Sagunya Panlusod members, Honorable Mike P.B. Farinas and Honorable John Michael Farinas. Sir, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for joining
This
us.
is Laoag.
There you go.
Our
And
city,
everyone,
our
please don't forget